viral, viral, viral. Yo, what up? It's Nick. So I want to kind of like be more specific about what the Sci-Hub is and how it relates to Google Classroom and outline student responsibilities and teacher responsibilities. So this here on the left side, this is what the Sci-Hub looks like for students when they log in. And you are currently on the Sci-Hub. You're just in the teacher portion, and the students will be doing the 2019 coronavirus section of the Sci-Hub. So the responsibilities of the student is to use Sci-Hub as a task list. So there's a green circle playlist, a blue square playlist, a black diamond playlist, and a double black diamond playlist. To learn more about each of those and the specifics as well as the types of tasks within each playlist, go check out the student's introduction video. If you really go through as if you're a student, you'll get an idea of how to best support your students. But the student's responsibility is to use the Sci-Hub as a task list and then get onto your learning platform that you're going to prepare for them, your Google Classroom or Schoology, and really it's going to act as a turn-in tray. So this is where they'll turn in their assignments, and the Sci-Hub will tell them which assignments to turn in when. It will also give them the resources they need along the way in order to complete those assignments. So the student responsibility is to bridge the gap between the Sci-Hub and your learning platform. So what's the teacher responsibilities then? Well, first off, you visited this website, tinyurl.com/teachcovid. This gets you at least to the resources for you teachers. Now, to begin with, you need to enter your information below in the Google form, and then it will take you to a list of tutorial videos to help you get started. They will teach you how to set up and organize your Google Classroom. Once your Google Classroom is set up, you're going to want to browse the Sci-Hub unit that I've titled the 2019 coronavirus. This way you can scan the assignments and see what will be asked of the students, and you can also, or you should really, record your own set of Science Notebook pages so that you can refer students back to those Science Notebook pages. The Science Notebook pages are critical information. It's basically like the notes for the unit. So again, go watch the student's introduction video and there's more information about those pages. Once you've browsed the Sci-Hub, then it's time to send communication to students and let them know, hey, this is what we're doing this for the next couple weeks, and here's the links, here's the information, here's what to expect, and so on. And then it's time to play teacher. You're just going to work on grading the students' work and providing feedback using the comment functions on Google Classroom. Now, if we think about, well, what's behind the teacher's desk here, other than just the actual actions? Well, the way I'm seeing this right now, I don't know how my school is going to actually do the grading and how grades will end up being published or not. But for now, I'm using the Google Classroom grading. And so I've created an assignments category where students will get 40% of their grade from completing assignments. It's only 40% because they get unlimited revisions on these assignments. The assessments are the rest of the assignments, and those are going to make up 60% of the students' grades. And it's 60% because they only get one revision, so it's really their chance to show you what they've been learning. Over here on the right side, I've got this thing that I like to call an LT page because it's got all the learning targets on it. So let's take a look. The long-term learning target, LT squared, long-term learning target, is that students can explain how the 2019 coronavirus affects humans and their communities. So we'll start in the green circle. The green circle, remember, is DOK1. So we're just identifying patterns of viruses. Now what I've done here is I've color-coded each of the assignments, whether it's an assignment or an assessment. You can see there's only a total of 3 assessments. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 assignments. Now, when we dig in here, the green circle tasks are going to be to complete some Science Notebook pages. But since students are writing these out, there's no way for them to really show these to you. So I'm not going to be grading the Science Notebook pages. But they will be useful for when they take their level up quizzes and when they complete their assessments. So they're going to really want to have those. And if you notice that students aren't doing that, or if you can kind of tell in some way, you're going to want to encourage students to actually record those notes on real paper. All right, then they're going to do this assignment called a YouTube binge. They're going to do a Google Classroom assignment, a Google Docs assignment to research what our virus is, and then they'll take a level up quiz. At the end of this green circle playlist, they're then going to have a green circle assessment. Now you'll also notice these green circles here. These green circles don't relate to the fact that it's the green circle because there's some down here as well in the blue square region. These are all assignments that are automatically graded. So that means that in the green circle portion, you have 1, 2 things that you need to actively grade. In the blue square, when we distinguish the attributes of that 2019 coronavirus, you're going to have 1, 2, 3 assignments to grade in the blue square. In the black diamond portion of the playlist is when students will investigate how the 2019 coronavirus infects cells and assess the medical interventions that we're currently talking about in the news and that scientists are talking about. So again, we're not grading those science notebook pages. The YouTube binge is self-graded. The level up quiz is self-graded. So there's only the one assignment, the summative assessment in the black diamond that you need to grade. Then if students move on to the double black diamond, there's one final assignment for you to grade. This is when students will create content to raise awareness and prevent the spread of the 2019 coronavirus. So this is kind of an outline of what it is going to take from you as a teacher. Yes, there's some grading, but it's not too bad. The biggest part is the front end, getting your Google Classroom all set up. You need to upload all of the classwork so that as students navigate through the different Sci-Hub playlists, they can access the assignments on your classwork page of your Google Classroom. But let me be really clear here. The Sci-Hub is already created. All the assignments are already created as well. It is your job just to copy those assignments and add them to your Google Classroom. So I know that online distance learning can be a challenge for a lot of folks, but I've been really trying to dig at this problem for a long time, and I'm here to offer up the takeaways and the successes that I've had. So feel free to copy and use the Sci-Hub as your playlist. If you have questions, if I did not clarify something, please let me know. Send me an email. But first, take a look at all those tutorial videos, because in those videos, I can walk you through how things are self-graded and what a level up quiz is and how to get your versions of these Google Docs. So continue on, watch the rest of the videos, and again, I'm urging you, let's make virus education go viral. Let's teach this young generation about what is happening and how it is happening. Keep on inspiring. I'll see you later. Peace.